Oscars, an endless night of glamour, styles and trends. But this year is no ordinary year. It's the year of the woman. This is my tribute to the finest among us, who ensured the time for inequality was up. To the ones whose style is matched by their substance. Her biggest charisma is her character. She stands scrutiny to the world, sometimes for the way she looks, sometimes for her outlook. A tribute to the women who stand taller than the rest, for the stand they take. To my icons, as they power their presence in this world.